All right, Chuck, I want to show you. So I got the rest centered in here. Got it on there, everything looks okay. If you look down the feathers, normally we run the cock feather up, but in this case it's not. So what I had to do was I had to adjust the cable run out right here on the LTR to the right to get clearance for the fletching. I don't know if there's a way to connect that. I know the main problem is this opening here. It's probably why it had to be off-centered. But if you look, I got it set where it won't hit. Hard to tell in the picture by turning the arrow a little bit, but it won't hit.
The normal way is just run it like that so it don't hit the cables.
Yeah, that's how we normally run, but I know we can't run it like that here because of that opening right there in the rest. So turn that back, Philip, so it clears. Keep going, keep going. Right there. So it's close there, but it don't touch. That's close, but don't touch. I know this was printed, and so they're a little tight. I'm gonna let Philip get close, and you'll be able to hear it squeak a little bit. I'm gonna pass this off to. Hey, Dad, cut that for a second. So get real close so we can hear this. And if you notice, watch the rest, Philip, from the side. Watch it from the side. See how I get a little bit of flex there? Can you see that in the camera?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But, I mean, it tunes. It tunes pretty good. That's a standard size shaft right there. This is
Torn a little bit right.
So this is a standard size non-flet shaft. This is a .245 diameter. And look what just happened. The rest tension is so tight that it pulled the string off of pulled the knock off the string. You see that?
I didn't put it on there, but
It's just a little bit of a tear. I could probably tune that out.
oh yeah.
All right, this is a 204 diameter shaft, so we're getting smaller. This is a Victory RIP. And the smaller we go with the diameter of the shaft, the better the rest is going to perform. You see how that, as the tension is reduced on that chuck, it's tearing better, and that has to do with that has more to do with the rest tension of these fingers. So now I'm down to a micro shaft. This shaft comes in at .166 internal diameter, somewhere around a .200 external. So this is what they would consider a micro shaft, and this gives us our best flight out of anything. See the rest tension, look at the rest. It moves a little bit, but it's not a lot. I got a little bit of a kick out of that, but that's just because of that's more of a spine weight. Which way is that tearing, right? That's a right tear. I'm gonna shoot it again, then we're gonna try to take it out of it. A little bit of a right tear. Get it out of there, so I'll try to take it out.
Hello, Mr. Bergen.
What turned up today?
Nothing. Just doing a little bit of testing.
You doing all right?
Doing good. We're gonna make you sick with the video here. Alright, so I just did a little bit of rest adjustment on it. Then we'll get it in there.
Put that big arrow back in there. I didn't get that on there a while ago.
I mean, you didn't get it didn't feel. Show him that there. That one looks good. That's a flexed arrow. Standard bear shaft size again. All that has to do with the size of the arrow and the rest height. That has nothing to do with how the rest is performed. And I'm gonna shoot this. This is an odd one, Chuck. I just did it for fun. This is a
5-inch fletched
5-inch flex.
with feathers.
I mean, I don't think we'll ever see anyone shooting this joker, but just in case, let's just see what it does. And I'm just aligning it. If it rips my turkey feathers off, Chuck, you owe me $100.
We'll take it out in product because they're good.
No issues. Again, this is just rest height because we've changed shaft sizes. If you look, we've gone from a 166 to a 245 to a 204 back to a 247. So that changes the height of the rest. But all in all, I mean, if you look, even switching shaft sizes, and we didn't do anything crazy. All we did was I just eyed it up, height and the left and right. I put the rest so that the string hits down the riser, center of the rest. I did it all by eye. So it tuned easy. I think the only thing we have to work on is this is really, really tight. This kind of hurts my finger. Other than that,
And also, you like to shoot it as much up and down as you can. On some bows, this is going to throw your fletching into your cable.
but see, you can't move that one because of the gap. Unless it starts move this to a top load. If it loads directly to the top, then that would work. See here, if you make it load from the top, then you'd have this gap centered more, and we could get that cock feather running up, and that would get you cable clearance. So I know we had to change this whole mold from True Glow, but if we could get that running straight up, it would help a little bit. All right, that's what we got so far.